TaskLink connects your Bluebeam Revu markups with GoCanvas forms, so you can send tasks from office to field and keep everything synced in real time. In TaskLink, you can create new dispatches from markups, attach existing dispatches or submissions, and then export all related documents together in one action. A dispatch is an incomplete form, and a submission is a completed one. We'll focus on creating a dispatch in this video. Before you start, confirm your organization has a GoCanvas subscription. Open the TaskLink panel in Bluebeam Revu via Windows, Panels, TaskLink. Then select Sign In to GoCanvas. In the Preferences window, click Sign In via Browser. A browser window will open. Sign in with your GoCanvas credentials. Authorize Bluebeam Revu to your account. Then return to Bluebeam Revu. In the TaskLink panel, you can switch between History and Active Document. History shows all dispatches and submissions across your files. Active Document shows only what's linked to the file you're working on. To create a dispatch, right-click the markup and choose TaskLink, Create Dispatch. We'll use an elevator inspection as an example. The same steps apply to other GoCanvas forms, including work orders or other job tasks. Select the inspection form. Enter a dispatch name and a brief description. Note that the description may appear as the title in some views. Then assign a field user. Choose whether to schedule it immediately or for a later time with an optional notification. When you're ready, click Next. You must pre-fill at least one field in the form, like date, project, room, or discipline, before sending. This gives the field user context to the assignment. When you're ready, click Send to create the dispatch. Your dispatch has now been created and sent from Bluebeam Revu to the field. Back in the TaskLink panel, the new dispatch appears with status Assigned, showing description, assignee, and a quick link to view it in GoCanvas. The dispatch is also viewable in the markups list. When the field user starts the task, the status in the TaskLink panel updates from Assigned to Received once manually refreshed. The review PDF linked to the GoCanvas form through a markup, the same file used when creating the dispatch, is visible to the field user in the GoCanvas mobile app under the Documents section, shown on the right. The field user completes the form in GoCanvas, for example, by adding photos and adding signatures. Once the task is completed, the updated status will appear in Revu after a manual refresh. You can review the submission PDF in Revu by clicking it in the TaskLink panel. TaskLink also provides additional options. From the right-click menu, you can attach an existing dispatch or submission to a markup. And from the TaskLink panel drop-down menu, you can export submission results into a PDF package. TaskLink turns your markups into actionable field tasks, keeps everyone aligned, and helps work move forward faster.